Well, today we're at a small mixed family farm with 150 pedigree Holstein cows that are still out at grass in summer. This first cow we've got in is underrun here. It's got abscess bursting out. So we've got a wooden shoe on the outer claw, front right. And I'm just removing all that loose horn, trimming it back at toe end. Cleaned up, a little touch of blood there, but other than that it's not too bad. She's going to feel a whole lot better soon anyway. That toe end trimmed down to size. And get the treatment on, get it bandaged up. And then we're on to the next one. This one's as long as toes, but she's got digital dermatitis in between the claws. So get her trimmed up first. The ends rounded off with a grinder. Move any of that loose horn. It's left after you've done it with a grinder, and get cleaned in between. Give it a good rub out. Always a bit awkward to get in here, but do your best. And get the bandage and treatment in best you can. And this cow, I know there's a problem. I'm just having a little grind away, see what I find. And get my knife in there and just see if it's soft or hard, and it's pretty soft as this, so I know the course of action here. Get this bottom side cleaned off. Get plenty of heat on my block. Get some glue on it. The Wovey Bond XL block, this one.
White line.
So a little toe necrosis is this on the front, just a little toe end. Little toe end problem. It's very painful for her. And nippers in there, get cut out what I can. Curve of the knife in, same, and then give it a good clean up.
I do not put the medical book online, otherwise there'll be how long it's Joanne's
Right, okay.
If I do
Too complicated.
And get the treatment on, Repiderma spray, salicylic acid and derm paste. The winning combo.
Analog. She puts it on the computer. Sorry. Yeah.
It sounds like a ball ache, to be brutally honest.
Yeah.
And for now.
They'd go for it.
The way the sun is outside, it's a bit dark on this this cow that we're trimming there. We are tightened up a bit now. The GoPro found its mark with getting the light. So I've trimmed all round this house in the right good do because I'm going to put a green show on. There we are, green show on.
Well, there's two out the group of 7. There's one fella works for
Once that glue oozes out the side, get it patted down.
me, a teachers.
Oh, right.
There's 2 of them like go fun up with fancy bloody shirts. I mean, Martin, you think he's back to the side, but he doesn't. But that's how he dresses. I know I get it, but that's how he dresses. Just like, well, no, they don't bother with them.
And then just a normal heat gun on the green show I use rather than the burner. If I use the burner, it'll set the glue on fire, burn the block off. So it's changing the angle now.
Oh, yeah. We just stayed in on the bridge, and then Joanne doesn't drink, and the other lads don't drink, so they drive us in like wherever we're going.
Getting the thick off with a grinder. And then you can see there's white line separation there.
We like Paul.
My mum's from home, say. Me.
The nasty little abscess has burst out. A rare sight for me, my diamond nipper's on the job.
Am I a country bumpkin? We were in Birmingham the weekend before. Mrs. Thank you, we thought next day and I said, oh, somebody else. Oh, you fed us last night, thank you. I was walking to King's Cross from you. So
That's about as much as I'm going to get out of that.
Always had.
Get it cleaned off. See what we're dealing with.
Yeah.
Or rather not. Let's see if your spray's gone on the
The other
lens.
night, it was very quiet, but
Mottled out of you.
yeah. I put up in the ground myself. It's got.
Ah.
Yeah. We had some friends go
With a bandaged up.
They were like walking around, these lads were like in groups of 20. And then other night in Hull, you didn't really see a lot of that, but when you go in the daytime,
And then
you
she
see a
is
lot more of
last cow of this morning's job. So we've done 24 this morning. Everybody's waiting now. They're impatient now. They're waiting for the cows to come out and they can have the dinner. So there we are, little family farm in East Yorkshire. And now I've got me drawn out again. And there's the cows going out to grass. I thought I'd capture the cows were trimmed off out. They actually aren't going too badly to say all what's been wrong with them this morning, all them treatments we've done on the video. A lot were just trims though, so they weren't too bad. I just obviously videoed some of the ones that I thought would make better content, to be fair. And the sun is shining. There they are, off out to the friends. Won't be long before they're probably back in to get milk though. And then just when I think all the cows have gone out, one was still behind, lagging behind. Poor old Daisy. She's in no rush at all, is she? So there we are, folks. Thanks for watching my video. Take care.